Hi, my name is Tony Bird, and I play the violin for the show The Band's Visit. Something that is really particular in this show is you have jazz and like Broadway, musical kind of things, but there's also a really interesting part which is traditional Arabic music. Arabic culture use a lot of what we call microtones that are like notes that are played in between notes that as Western European we are used to hear. Sound, it's a surprise at first. The audience is really quickly invited to go east.